Hello friends, this is Miss Rainey, your virtual teacher's assistant. And today we're going to learn how to make a toilet bomb. Isn't that cool? That's something that you can make with your children. And who wouldn't want their kids to learn how to clean the toilet? Right here I have equal parts of baking soda, cornstarch, and citric acid. Here I have a half a cup of coconut oil. It's in liquid form. I have my favorite essential oils. I have a spoon, and then I have these little cute containers that I found at the dollar store. We're going to use these as a mold. You can also use ice trays, or they do sell some Christmas ornaments that look like a circle on Amazon. And you pretty much like close it together, and like you can use a string to hold it, and it will come out in a perfect circle if you want to do that. So once you have the equal parts of the cornstarch, baking soda, and citric acid, you're going to put that into a container. I have that done already. Then we have the coconut oil and essential oils. I'm going to put 15 drops of my favorite essential oil in this coconut oil. Okay. This is a protective blend, and I like the smell of it, so that is going in here. Now I'm going to pour the coconut oil into the dry ingredients. And then I'm going to mix it around. Now what you want it to look like is wet sand. And if it's too wet, you can add more of the baking soda, cornstarch, and what was the last thing? Citric acid. And I'm mixing it up. And once you have everything all nice and mixed up, that's when you put it into your mold. So I'm going to do that now. So once I got it into the container, I'm going to have it sit overnight, and then afterwards you can use it the next day. You just drop it in the toilet and watch it fizz. Your kids will love it. And then you can teach how to clean the toilet with this experiment. That is all for right now. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I hope to see you soon. Bye.